Goddamn cat's fast. I think he needs more nip.
Whoa, not on my lap. He's going nuts for the catnip. They're like making him high. Okay, whatever. I'll go elsewhere.
Yeah, I'll give you some more nip, okay?
Oh, God.
Check this out, buddy. You can't hook me, though. No, you hook me, you're done. Okay, watch this. Don't hook. Don't. Hey.
Right here, baby.
Cat is going nuts for the catnip.
Yep.
Hey, bitch, I was trying to get it closer to you, honey. Good boy.
You should just let her push it in a pile.
Yeah, go push it in the pile, honey.
Yeah, look at this.
So I want to tell you, baby, honey. Uh-oh. So this is your cup.
Look at that.
He doesn't want to use his fingers. He's already got scratched.
Look at that.
Hi, baby.
Look. Oh, yeah, dig into it.
He's eating it.
That taste good, honey? Oh, yum, yum.
Licking the table. Now he's trying to scratch at it. Cat gone wild for catnip. Please like and subscribe. Oh, good catch, Artie. It's a tube that has the catnip. It's a glass tube, and Artie really thinks he can chew through it. What does he think he is? Superman?
Super cat.
You can't get through it. Whoops.